In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bookmark in Microsoft Edge. A bookmark, which Edge calls a favorite, is simply a quick shortcut to a page you want to come back to later. It's one of the easiest ways to keep important sites at your fingertips, and the process takes just a moment. Start by launching Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's open, head to the exact web page you want to save. If you're bookmarking a specific article, product page, or dashboard, make sure you've navigated to that precise page so your favorite brings you right back here next time. When the page is fully loaded, look to the right side of the address bar at the top of the window. You'll see a small star icon labeled Add this page to Favorites. Click that star. A small panel will open, and this is where you can customize what your bookmark looks like and where it lives. First, adjust the name field. Edge will pull in the page title automatically, but it's often long or cluttered. Shorten it to something clear and memorable. For example, if the page title includes extra words or a date you don't need, trim it down. Keeping names concise makes them easier to recognize at a glance and helps them fit neatly if you keep them on the bar. Next, choose the folder. You'll see options like Favorites bar and Other favorites. The Favorites bar places the bookmark right below the address bar, so it's visible and one click away whenever Edge is open. This is perfect for sites you use multiple times a day. If you prefer a cleaner look or you're saving something you won't use constantly, select Other favorites to keep it organized without taking up space on the bar. You can always manage and reorganize favorites later, but picking the right spot now keeps things tidy from the start. Once the name and folder look good, select Done. That's it. The page is saved. You'll notice the star icon fills in to show it's been added. If you saved it to the Favorites bar, you should now see the new shortcut appear right under the address bar. If you placed it in Other favorites, you can find it from your Favorites menu whenever you need it. Quick recap. Open Edge, go to the page you want, click the star, refine the name, choose the best folder, and select Done. With that, you've created a clean, easy-to-use bookmark you can rely on.